machine right now at Walmart in Peyton, Colorado. As you can see, we're gonna buy something from the vending machine. It is a older Dixie Narco. Actually, no, Royal Vendors. I was wrong. But anyways, this costs 50 cents in Walmart. I mean, seriously. So we're gonna insert money. Sorry, it's a little noisy. You can see the MEI card reader. It says cash only. Now, which one I want to buy? However, we're gonna have to make this quick because this store's gonna be closing in 2 minutes due to the coronavirus. I think I want Dasani. Here we go. Oh, that's a slow one. Same process when I swipe my card. I don't have a swipe card. Well, hope you enjoy this little special video. In the future, I might get something else. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. Until then, bye y'all.